It's 8 o'clock right now in Bolivia, Santa Cruz. We're gonna head down to a little food truck place right across the street. Maybe get some din din. This might be a bit of a short video. And yeah, let's get going. Let's get some food. Nobody in the street right now. Okay. It's not far. It's pretty close actually. ¿No tienen empanadas hoy? ¿No tienen empanadas de pollo?
¿De pollo?
Dame una, por favor. Okay, now we just wait here for our number to be called, number 6. And we'll be in business. Good to go. I had that one the other day. It was delicious. Bunch of hooligans. I'm just kidding. Apparently this is a shoot for a commercial that they're doing. Some sort of commercial. I don't know what the product is, but I have a feeling I'm gonna buy it. As soon as I can open up a line of credit, I will buy whatever they're selling. Hopefully it's some tasty food. Let's go ahead and taste this. See if it's really good or not. Oh yeah. I don't know exactly what this sauce is. It is sweltering hot. It's a little bit small, but kind of just broke on me in half. Fell all over the place. Let the mess begin. That's so funny. There's a commercial being filmed 15 feet to my left. There's a commercial being filmed right there, but everybody's looking at me because I have a camera. I guess men with cameras draw a lot of attention, I guess. I don't know, I just thought that was pretty funny. Muy rico la empanada, amigo, estaba delicioso. Ustedes no cocinan con picante, ¿no? No cocinan picosito. No, está bien. So today I arrived from Cochabamba. The second bus ride, 9.5 hours. I think I got here at around, I think it was 4:30 a.m. I think this morning, haven't slept, haven't eaten much of anything. Went home, just had some breakfast. That was pretty much it. I didn't eat anything for the rest of the day. So now we're gonna take advantage. We haven't slept, we're tired, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna try every food vendor on this block. I think they have about 4 or 5 different types of food vendors here every day. And we're gonna try out a quesadilla right now. Okay. Gracias. Oh wow, look at that. That looks very good actually. Tastes pretty much like any traditional Mexican style, you know, grilled quesadilla, pico de gallo. It's pretty good. It's not bad. The only thing it doesn't have is meat. There's one more spot we can hit up, and it's down that way. Maybe some killer burgers, some nice steak sandwiches.
Papi, Dios lo bendiga. Papi, vea la cuestión es de hambre. De pronto me puede apoyar con una bendición para comer algo, rey. Dios lo bendiga, oye.
No, no tengo nada, perdón. No tengo en efectivo.
Cuando acabe, cuando...
Oh, ¿quieres la soda?
Gracias. Dios lo bendiga. Dios lo bendiga, yo, papi. Gracias.
Guy apparently just wanted some soda. Hey, come back here. No, I'm just kidding. Stole my soda. This is already almost done. I'm gonna finish this. Let's see if we can head down to that cheeseburger food vendor. Hopefully he's there. He was there 2 days ago. He makes a mean steak sandwich. So we're gonna go, and as usual, we're just gonna give him our money. Go, here you go. Here's a couple hundred Bolivianos. One steak sandwich, please. Uno steak sandwich, por favor. Mucho picosito. Mucho picante. I think I see it. Just up ahead. There's the food truck. There's Pizza Hut. Sorry, Pizza Hut. Not today. Hola, amigo, ¿estás solo aquí hoy? ¿Y el cocinero? Ah, no, tranquilo, yo si estás descansando yo te espero. Era para comprar una hamburguesa, ¿no?
Claro,
¿Tienes hamburguesa o no? ¿Qué trae? ¿Mayonesa?
Panza, sabor, la ensalada, la carne y el pan. Bueno, salsa no se pone casi todas las labores, ¿no?
¿Y cuánto cuesta?
La simple te sale a 15, con papa frita te sale a 20.
Ok, dame una con papa frita.
Enseguida te lo preparo.
No, pero no tiene que ser ahora. Yo espero. 5 minutos, 10 minutos.
No se preocupe.
Está bien, está bien. Vale. I guess that's what we're getting, maybe. $15 with French fries. Lomito steak sandwich. They make the best steak sandwich here. And in Cochabamba as well. I had really good steak sandwiches over there. Perdón, amigo, no quería molestarte. No.
No se preocupe.
It's just him doing everything. He works here by himself. He cooks all the food, cleans up. The last time I came here about 2 days ago, the place is packed full of people. But for some reason today it's a little slow. I guess it has something to do with some national holiday or something like that. What do I know? Just a man with a camera in Bolivia, in Cochabamba, having the time of his life in Bolivia, sharing an American dream. We got ourselves water now. That way we don't get the bad voodoo vibes from Coke Zero. Good old water. This is what happens when you have to solo vlog. You just kind of just have to ramble on and rant and rave like a lunatic about nothing in particular, while this young, hard-working man cooks me a hamburger with all the toppings, all the fixings for 20 Bolivianos, which is actually pretty cheap. It's dirt cheap if you think about it. I think I paid for a plate of food, rice, tomatoes, lettuce, sausage, and a little bit of chicken. I think I paid $25, 25 Bolivianos. It was a lot of food. Again, for these people it's expensive, I understand that. But for a tourist like me who can afford it, entitled slob like myself, an entitled American who can afford it, it's really not that expensive. But that's the discrepancy. For any country, for any Latin American country that you visit, Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Cuba, it's pretty much all the same. ¿Ya empezaste, amigo, o todavía?
Ya.
¿Me permite ver cómo lo cocina cuando empieza? Eso no sé, está hecho como en 15 minutos, ¿no?
5 minutos.
5 minutos.
Mayormente son 5 minutos porque al cual me refiero, ¿no? Hacemos dorar principalmente el pan, ya la carne, mientras cose la carne, ¿no? Lo hacemos dorar el pan, por el motivo que cuando ya una vez le dimos la vuelta a la carne, empezamos encima a ponerle el queso. Ya mientras ya está, el queso se pone a derretir, nosotros le echamos la salsa Gol, lo que es referente, lo ponemos ensalada, el tomate, volvemos a poner salsa Gol, entra ahí la carne, encima del queso y la carne le ponemos vuelta a salsa Gol, y ese sería todo el tema que es de la hamburguesa, ¿no? Lo que aquí lo preparamos.
¿Y qué es el ingrediente más caro para comprar?
¿El ingrediente más caro?
Me supongo que es la carne, obvio, ¿no?
Claro, la carne.
Porque el pan, la lechuga...
No es tan caro, ¿no? Mayormente es la carne lo que cuesta más que lo demás, ¿no?
Y algunas veces no hay, ¿verdad?
Sí, algunas
Yeah.
veces no hay.
Está bien, amigo. Muchas gracias. Alright. Time to eat. Gracias.
De nada.
prepared. You get to see the smoke coming off of that. Actually, looks really good.
La 09, ya la 010, la MT10, ya 10, creo.
Oh, wait, what? Huh? Oh, burger, yeah. There you go.
Ni la antigua ni la nueva viene. Todo viene en tren. La Suzuki GS.
That's about
750 viene.
it's about as good of a street burger as you can taste as you get.
Te encargo. Ya se iba a probar.
Oh, very good. Why waste money in a restaurant when you can have this? It's cheaper and it's way, way more delicious, in my opinion. Te quedó chetadísimo, está riquísimo. Perfecto. This is the kind of burger that makes you want to conquer the world.
Va a haber un camionzote grande que dice pura empanada.
Ya, gracias.
Nada.
I never imagined a street burger would taste this delicious. It's perfectly cooked for my taste. I like it well, medium well, almost burnt. I know that's not an unpopular opinion. I don't like burgers that are bloody or rare. That's disgusting. Like, who eats a burger rare? Like, you didn't even see the pulse of the cow. It's not even fully dead yet. What are you doing? I don't understand how anybody could eat that. I really don't. So you can burn my burgers, baby. Hashtag burn my burgers. I know a guy. I'm not gonna say who. He likes his burgers well done. Very well done. This is a great man. Just so happens to be in the White House. I'll let you figure out who it is. Burgers falling apart, traffic's falling apart. It's all coming to an end here, folks. It's all crashing down. Bolivian drivers are crazy, man. They'll run you over, they don't care. You need to get out of the way and get out of the way quick. Otherwise, you're going to be another statistic. They drive angry. They're angry when they drive. They start honking at you, yelling at you out the window for no reason. My kind of people. Aggressive drivers, very underrated. If you go to Miami, you'll see plenty of aggressive drivers. That's for sure. They're so aggressive that they'll take out their gun and they'll shoot you. And that is not a joke. That is a fact. That is a real hard fact. So I think that's pretty much it for the food tour on this block. There's only about maybe 2 more blocks down that way. There's not a whole lot of food trucks, food vendors over there. Maybe a hot dog stand, maybe somebody selling ice cream frappes or something like that. But I think we're gonna call it here. I think this is a good spot to call it. I'm pretty full. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming along on this little food truck journey with me. And yeah, this is fun. I wish they had more. I wish they had more food trucks. They got some killer pizza over here by Dopes, where we ate the empanadas. But again, we're gonna call it here. Thank you for watching. Well, maybe I'll go to the. They have a supermarket right here. Maybe I'll go to that. Is it worth it crossing this traffic? This Bolivian traffic? And listen, I know I say it all the time, but come to Bolivia, man. Come here and see the people, eat the food. The food is incredible. It's really, really good. It's very underrated. And the people are nice, the people are great. Very humble, very honorable people. They're super nice. They've been nothing but nice to me, at least. But yeah, I know I sound repetitive and like a broken record, but come to Bolivia, man. If you're watching this, come to Bolivia, come to Santa Cruz, and come to Cochabamba? I already forgot what it's called. Samapaita? I don't know. Bolivia.
Buenas.